Don't be scared to heal. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. Let's get right into it. So some people are scared to heal. Some people are scared of becoming the best versions of themselves. Some people are scared to become better people. Some people are scared to give up their old habits, to really put themselves in a situation where they're becoming better, where they're in a position to be successful, to work hard and do whatever it is that they feel is best for them, because they're scared of what the other side looks like. They're scared of overcoming struggles. They're scared of letting go of the heartbreak. In all honesty, they're scared of what the other side looks like. They're scared of getting out of comfort zones because they're scared of what the other side is like. They're so scared to even rebuild a better life because it involves a lot of hard work. Some people act like they can never change. Some people act like they can't give up the bad habits because they're not trying to put their all into it. They're scared of all the things that they have to face on the way along the journey of becoming a better version of themselves. You have to push through those barriers. If you've had a bad habit where you even misuse some things, or you resort to alcohol, or you resort to binge watching shows, whatever struggle you're going through, and whatever bad habits and mechanisms that you use to cope, you're scared of letting go of those things because you know the hard work is going to take. You know that you're going to have to make some sacrifices. Some people get in their own way because they're not willing to make sacrifices. In life, you have to break boundaries. You have to make sacrifices in order to progress, to get onto the next level, in order for you to grow. If you're not really looking at yourself, we all have flaws. We all have things we can work on. We all have things that we know we should be working on, but some people don't really take that time to face those things because they know that it will mean maybe contacting a long lost family member. It may mean putting your ego and your pride aside so that you can be a better person in the situation that happened years ago. You don't want to be those people where, for example, you haven't spoken to your family for such a long time because of a situation that happened. But sometimes it's in order for you to grow, in order for you to progress and move on to the next level, you have to forgive yourself and forgive the people that hurt you and forgive the situation. And that may mean having to face them. It may mean having to make that phone call and say, do you know what, things haven't worked out for us. I'm tired of holding on to this pain. I just want to be cordial. I don't want to be crossing the street every time I see you. I don't want to be avoiding you at all costs. I don't want my day to be ruined the minute I see you or see anything to do with you. Forgive those people. That makes you a better person. It actually adds to your growth because you're putting your ego aside, you're putting your hurt aside just so that you can be well within. Don't be scared to choose yourself, to choose to forgive all those situations that happened before, to choose to let go of all the toxic relationships that you've had in your life, to choose to forgive all the people that hurt you or the people that have betrayed you. Choosing yourself, choosing to forgive those people means you have less energy for those situations. You're now able to move on without having to look back, without having any regrets. Don't keep nurturing all those toxic relationships because you're scared to heal, because you're scared that you'll have to let go of that person. Do not hold on to people that hurt you. Choose yourself. Don't be scared to heal. Yes, it will be painful. Yes, it will be hard. Yes, you'll probably cry along the way, you'll probably be angry along the way, you'll probably resent some people along the way. But if you choose to overcome all those emotions, if you choose to face all those problems, you'll become a better you. You will be the bigger person at the end of the day, and you have nothing holding you back towards being successful, whatever that looks like to you, towards becoming a better you. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.